Gang Puppy's Workshop. Anybody can be a star on YouTube 6. Sorry, I nudged the tripod. I got my new camera on and I had to readjust it. That leads us into our subject for this episode. Low bucks, alternatives. I've been watching a lot of YouTube creators crying about my GoPro chip filled up and didn't tell me. My GoPro battery died. My milling machine ate my GoPro. When you think about the fact you're going to be $1,000 into that GoPro 7 Black, you know, the newest one, you're going to be $1,000 into that baby. You know, it's $600 for it, and you got to have batteries and chips and all the cool accessories. You know, when all you need is a hot glue gun to put it on your forehead. You don't need that strap that. This camera that you're looking at me through, my wife paid $21 through an eBay seller. It's cheap Chinese. It's supposed to be a handheld camera, video camera, PC camera, M something. All that works on it is the USB cord connects into a computer sometimes and will allow me to get image and sound over here. It's right next to the computer, so. But eventually it'll go to you. I yanked the battery out because the battery's only good when you're using it without the USB cord. And to use it without the USB cord, the internal programming for camera and video camera and all that crap has to work. It don't. Battery superfluous. Gave it to the wife. Turned it on the first time and said, no chip. I put a chip in. Take it out, take it out. What's that remind you of? You know, and the tripod, you know that tripods have a 1/4-20 thread so that cameras will attach to them. That's the standard tripod camera interface, 1/4-20. No, some weird metric size. So I took one of them steel inserts, you drill a hole in your piece of wood furniture and you bang it in. Now you got a 1/4-20 threaded hole. I crazy glued that in the bottom of this baby cakes. Yeah, that's for that little strap on the side so you can hold it and look at it. Oh, that's gone. I'd rip that little wing with the little screen off and throw it away, but I need to see that to see if I'm in the PC camera mode. Otherwise, it'd be snap, throw. So for $21, I'm getting the bang that guys spending $1,000 for a GoPro 7 Black. I mean, that's a 50th? A 50th of the cost. Talk about bang for your buck, Nakamura. Yeah.